one vowel in the other group of words. That means it has two classes of sound, the same letter. Yes, it can be like that. It doesn't make it to be something else or something different from digraph. So digraphs means two letters that come together to make one vowel sound. So when two letters make one vowel sound in some words, it doesn't mean that those will be stagnant or will be static. No. At some other point, two letters can also form a different vowel sound. The same two letters. It happens with letters O, it also happens with letters E, it also happens with other letters as it were. So these are the things we want to bear in mind as we explain more about letters O. When you see letters O in a word, how do you pronounce it? How do you say it? We said it has two different applications, two different vowel sounds. But at one time, each of these digraph letters will make a vowel. The first vowel we want to look at is letters O making the vowel, which is the short vowel sound O. Letters O can make O in some words. This O is a short vowel sound. The letters O can make it in some words. Let's consider at least 5-6 words where letters O can make O as a digraph letter. The first one is book. 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 If you check in that word, it is spelled B-O-O-K. And that word has the vowel O for letters O. So when you remove that vowel, you have to remove the two letters in between. You just have consonant B making B, and then consonant K making K sound. So it is the vowel in between, which is O, that makes it sounds the way it is, and that is book. So when you see that B-O-O-K anywhere, you don't call it book, like some people used to say book. That's wrong. The right thing to say is book, because letters O sounds O there in that vowel. Another word like kid is good, G-O-O-D. G-O-O-D also sound O for letters O. So in this case, it's making O. So let's talk about the next word, cook. This is the next word that also have O sound as a vowel for letters O. C-O-O-K. C-O-K makes O. That is cook. And then the fourth one is hook. Hook, which is H-O-K. And the fifth one is look. Look, which is an O-O-K. And the last one, which is the sixth one we'll consider today, is hood. Hood. So let's look at how we can use these words in sentences now. The first one we mention is book. Book. You can say, I brought some books for you. Now I've made a plural book, which is books. But do you have that book called The Sleeping Dog? Do you have that book called The Sleeping Dog? Well, that is one of the prose that was written recently. Another book like Kate is one that say The Community People. Have you read that book before? Book. Which is at the point here is book. Now, apart from book, we also mention good. Good is the next word, which also has letters O making O sounds. So say good. What you're doing is good. I love it. That's fine. Notice that I said good. So the word G-O-O-D is never good. So you don't say good, but you say good. It is good to see you this morning. So you see that it is good to see you this morning. Oh, that's interesting. That's delighted. Thank you. Say good. He is a good man. He is good woman. Rather, she is good woman. So you see, the point here is good. Look, don't look at me again. I wonder why you are looking at me like this. You look so much. Oh, it's good you look. Good. Look. The same sound. Hold. Yes, it is not the hold that makes the monk. It is not the hold that makes the monk. So the monks can use the hold, but it doesn't mean without the hold he's no longer a monk. No. The monk always wears the hold. It doesn't make him less than what he is or more than what he should be. So it is not the hold that makes the monk. That is a proverb, and it has a lot to mean. It has a lot of meaning associated to it. And I wish that you start using it or make more research on it. Now, another word we mentioned is cook. I can cook a tasty meal. I can cook a tasty meal anytime. I've not cooked anything today, but I wish I've cooked. It's pretty good that my sister cooked for us. I love his delicious meal. He cooked very well. She cooks very well, rather. She cooks very well. Can you cook anything for us to eat? Because I'm hungry. Cook. Cook. So these are the words we want to consider this morning. It's nice you give attention to it. If you look up here, you see where I put it. I've written some of these results and the vowels that it represents. So another day we will talk about the other sound, the letters O can make in the other words. So let's stop here for today. We'll see you again later. Thank you so much.